Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
What's up everybody, Thomas of DJI, and today I'm reviewing the Demibot from Ummagawd and Botgrinder. First of all, fucking sick frame. They're really nice, modeled together. I've seen these designs before where there is not really a top and a bottom deck, but they're combined with the arms. And in this case, it's a very big sandwich, 1.5 centimeter total of I think 6mm 4 and 5mm plates. It's very sturdy, feels very strong, very stiff, but also last but not least very light. I choose this setup because it will fit the O3. It's a little bit still props, I mean the standoffs in view, but I think I can change that a little bit with some settings.
Nope.
No, with the standard camera mounts you will still have the standoffs in view, but if you get the custom one, as you see on top here, you won't get the standoffs in view. And the props in view, obviously, because it's a true X, it's a real freestyle frame, and this is where I'm gonna use it for as intended freestyle. I free the action cam, I would say, because without the extra weight, I think in total it's like 640 grams with a fat lipo in it, and it flies like a beast. So with further ado, I had only one problem, because my engines were making a little bit weird sounded when I started. Check it out. So we're on the spot. It's cold. It's very cold. So I'm gonna fly from the car. And like I said, there was something wrong, or it sounded weird. So check this out. So when I arm the quad, this weird sound happened. Let's just fly it.
They call me the bar breaker. You should kick me out the club. I'm a big bad wolf. I'm a Jameson thug. I wave high while I'm cave diving day high. Coated in KY, will orgy on the hayride. I hustle like an Ethiopian custodian. Quick, grab the trophies. You can leave behind the opium. Executive American, all the way from a derelict. Drinking at the Sheraton, daring chicks into marriages. Oh yeah, marry me, baby. Half hour later, you can carry me, baby. I'm skinny dipping, swimming with young Dominican women. Last time I wasn't pimping, it's been a minute. No need to pay me to, I'm drinking in some Daisy Dukes. 80 proof, get retarded like a baby do. I'm so good at rap, it's not even fair. You know my this shit pangs, I ain't talking about hair. Come on. Three smoking hot chicks and a couple of babes. Call me the mailman, how I come every day. If you ain't feeling my this shit's completely understandable. I'm beyond rap, homie, I'm speaking animal. Think about leaving, they calling me bro. Finish a bottle and I'm good to go. No, you're all lame and I'm not even bold. So untouchable, I'm in the zone. Fall back, dibby-dip, what you call that? Dip the dick, middle league to the attack. Bring a kid to the kid and I'm on that. Alright, Ogun. They all are my newish thugs and the students. Girl, I'm a cowboy, baby, I'm a nuisance. I'm a problem, tell me that you love me. You can be your model, it don't matter if you chubby. Tickle, tickle, all my ways in the middle. Give me trouble, big girls, they make me feel so little. Take your clothes off, we're streaking in my kitchen. Hunting, fishing, kissing. I'm buck wild, I never have it together. Have you noticed I leave every show in a stretcher? Prof in the amber lamp on his way to the hotel. These hoes smell, I hope the bash goes well. Whiskey in my IV, boner in my boxers. I'm always with some Rosario Dawson imposters. Head like a back is made of rubber, I'm the energizer bunny. I'm a tough mother. Tomorrow it's my birthday, I'll sign up for karate and I'll kidnap the sensei and get the black belt probably. I know you see me win the beat for John Stamos. 100 years from now that show will still be on cable. What kind of man is this? High on medical cannabis, starting riots on campuses. No one should be a fan of this. Listen closely, I'm not gonna shout. I've tried being humble, it's just not working out.
So, as you can see, the light is almost gone. And I lost the drone twice and I was looking for it, so I'm not gonna take a chance and crash it again. So I promise you some better flight footage soon. Long story short, I really like the frame. It can handle some crashes, no scratches whatsoever, so really enjoying it. I'm gonna get new TPU, so the stand-ups won't be in screen, and like I said, more footage for this definitely will be coming. See you next time.
Hands up if you're a citizen of nowhere.
A little aftermath. We put some new standoffs on it, and as you can see in the image, the props are still in view, obviously because it's through X, but the standoffs are not there anymore. Got some new legs for it as well, so ready for some proper bashing. Not much light, doing some light. Proper feeds. Prop benders FPV shack.
We're not unified, individualistic in our pride.